Make your boyfriend feel happy. The simplest and best way to keep a boyfriend around is to make him feel happy. Show that you understand him, caring for him, and appreciating him for who he is. For today's video, I'm going to reveal some ways to help you keep your boyfriend happy. But firstly, please give this video a like and subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. 1. Compliment him. Showing that you care. It's good for your boyfriend's ego, his pride, and his happiness. Don't make the compliments more complicated than it needs to be. 2. Telling him you appreciate him. Relationships are hard work, and require effort from both parties. Take note of the things he does for you and for the relationship. Let him know that you do notice and are thankful. 3. Displaying your affections. Actions usually speak louder than words. He may not be big on public displays of affection. There are always subtle ways to let him know how you feel. 4. Giving him your attention. Simply spending time together is great. Put your focus squarely on him for at least some of that time. Make your time together quality time. 5. Speak his language. Be better prepared to communicate effectively and show affection. Once you determine which language he speaks, you can tailor your acts of affection to accordingly. 6. Be honest with him. Being honest, even when it is difficult, is one of the best ways to show trust. If it can't be built on trust and honesty, it's not going to last. Neither of you will end up happy. 7. Give him his space. A good boyfriend will want to spend a lot of time with you. But he'll still want and need some time to himself or with his friends. Let him have it. 8. Don't expect to change him. You can inspire people to change, or help them to change, but you should never expect them to change. If you can't take him as he is, don't take him. 9. Make him happy. Are you trying to make him happy? Showing that you know his particular wants and needs is the best way into a man's heart. 10. Keep up your appearance. He was attracted to your looks, and he wants to continue to be attracted to them. At very least, keeping up with basic hygiene. Put in the effort to be attractive can show that you care about both yourself and him. 11. Cook him a nice meal. This might be the ideal domestic date for many guys. 12. Let him watch sports. If your boyfriend likes food and football, indulge him at least sometimes. Maybe he wants you to watch the game with him. 13. Satisfy his desires. Most guys think about sex a lot, and want it a lot. Satisfying his wants at whatever level of intimacy you are at is part of making him happy. Of course, you always have the right to say no. If he can't accept that, get a new boyfriend. 14. Make him feel secure. Guys hate feeling insecure. Avoid making a guy feel insecure and he'll love you more. 15. Hug him tight for no reason. He melts like butter when it comes to sweet affectionate moments. If you run up to him and hug him tightly out of the blue, he'll love the way you feel in his arms. 16. Tease your boyfriend. Don't always give in too easily. You'll be boring. Make him work for you and any bedroom favors from you. It'll make him respect you more and take you seriously. 17. Be his shoulder to lean on. Hold his chin up for him when he's down. Instead of talking about his mistake, help him overcome it. Be there for him during hard days and comfort him. All relationships require some sacrifices and compromises. Sometimes you have to let him have things his way. You also deserve to expect the same from him as well.